Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make prune juice at home, and the process is surprisingly straightforward. You will only need a few basic ingredients and kitchen tools to create a nutritious beverage. We will start by gathering dried prunes, which are the main ingredient, along with fresh filtered water. A medium-sized saucepan, a fine mesh strainer, and an airtight container for storage are also essential. If you prefer a very smooth juice, a blender will be a helpful addition to your setup. This method provides a delicious, natural drink without any artificial additives. The first step is to prepare your prunes for the juicing process. Take 2 cups of dried prunes and give them a good rinse under cool, fresh running water to remove any surface impurities. Once clean, transfer these prunes into a sturdy saucepan. Now, add about 4 cups of filtered water to the saucepan, making sure all the prunes are completely submerged. For best results, let the prunes soak in this water for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, allow them to soak overnight at room temperature. This softens them considerably for the next stage. Once your prunes have soaked sufficiently, place the saucepan on the stove and bring the entire mixture, prunes and soaking water, to a gentle boil. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. The prunes should become extremely tender during this time. After simmering, remove the pan from the heat and allow the mixture to cool down completely, which might take 1 hour or 2. Finally, spoon the cooled prunes and about 2 cups of the cooking liquid into your blender. Blend the prune and liquid mixture on high speed until it becomes a smooth, thick puree. Now, to get pure juice, place a fine mesh strainer over a clean bowl and pour the blended mixture into it. Using the back of a spoon or a spatula, press down firmly on the pulp to extract every last drop of the rich, dark juice. Transfer your freshly made prune juice to an airtight bottle or jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy this delicious and natural homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.